Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Ukozi FM host and Crown Gospel Award founder Zanele Mbokazi died a few days ago after her long battle with lung cancer. And a couple of days before her unfortunate passing, she penned down this very devastating and heartbreaking message to her husband. And you guys, it was more like a goodbye message, like she knew that she was definitely leaving this earth, you guys. So the message that Zanele Mbokazi wrote on her Instagram reads as follows. Pray when choosing a lifetime partner. Life can turn suddenly. This journey is hard, very hard. I thank God for a fully supportive partner who changes has accordingly. Sometimes he is my priest who prays for me without ceasing. Sometimes he is my researcher. Sometimes my nurse who administers my medications, helps me find sleeping position. Sometimes he is my voice of reason when I want to give up my driver, my rickshaw, ongekukulayo, sometimes my big brother othethayo and give good counsel, my shoulder to cry on. Andibhekekelele ukulula ukuhlala nomntu ogulayo, my encourager, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga for walking the talk waliphila ilizwi, izingane zingafakaza. May God protect and strengthen you. Choose your partner wisely before the vows. Pray, discern. Umcele uJehova in sickness and in health, getting better one day. That was written by Uzanele Mbokazi, of course, as message to her husband, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and may your precious soul just rest in peace, and God bless you all.